So me, it's my birthday today, and I'm gonna cook. Those drummer patterns, and I'm going to replace them with my own drums. I had an idea. I just want this to sound big when it does come together. Right now, it sounds very mechanical, which is okay. This is all part of the process. But I want this to sound really special. But it's going to take the right kind of drums to get the idea out there. I think I'll keep the cymbals because they're already mixed really, really well. But the kicks, I need better kicks. They sound like a regular, real drum set, but I want to use like some Dilla-ish type kicks is what I have an idea of. And I think I'll put some in the new pack that we got coming out. Let's try it. More layers. Zooming on my face every time I do that. More! We gotta add more. I'm sorry. This is my birthday. I can add as many instruments as I want to. It's my birthday. It's my beat. I can do what I want to. Cry if I want to. I'm not gonna cry though. It's beautiful though. bass line to this. More! No, I'm playing. Go ahead and bass line to this. That's gonna be stuck in people's heads. What are we doing bass line with this? We're going to do something with some presence. I'm thinking probably Trillion. Nah, I want to go. Let's go Scarby. Let's go Scarby. So let's do something different with this because I feel like I've heard this 1,000,001 times. Obviously, the originator of this particular breakdown within a hip hop song is definitely Dilla. I hear the influence in there, especially with the big snare that comes on after this. Kind of trying to remember what beat that was, but I definitely hear the influence all in here. So I'm gonna trap it out, and this is gonna be really simple to do that. More. See? You know what? It's a good idea.
Mas?
Nope, we're not doing nope. Even though I know Mas is more. I think I do. I don't know nothing no more. Anyways, that's another beat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Really just wanted to take this one for a walk. I had it in my mind that I wanted to do like some more live type of instrumentation on the drums. Ended up going some different directions I didn't expect, but I like it. That's what's exciting to me, is not knowing where this is going. I love it. Then it goes to the trap breakdown, which is super dope. I think either one of these could be somebody's song. I find a place to put all these beats that I've been making for free. But for the producers that want some of the elements out of it, I'll be making them available, of course, for free in future Slap Experts packs. If you do not have your hands on some Slap Experts packs, pause. Go to slapexperts.com. Don't be laughing. Go to slapexperts.com and go cop some. They're free. They're free right now. They're supremely free. So go in there, download over a gig worth of free sounds. This is fun. This is fun to cook up. And if y'all have any requests or any challenges or anything like that, let me know. We'll see what's up. All right then. Peace.